Bells Ringing in the Rain by Liu Yong. Cicadas chill, drearily shrill. We stand face to face in the evening hour before the pavilion after sudden shower. Can we care for drinking before we part? At the city gate we are lingering late, but the boat is waiting for me to depart. Hand in hand, we gaze at each other's tearful eyes and burst into sobs with words congealed on our lips. I'll go my way, far, far away. On miles and miles of misty waves where sail ships, and evening clouds hung low in boundless southern skies. Lovers would grieve at parting as of old. How could I stand this clear autumn day so cold? Where shall I be found at daybreak, from wine awake, moored by a riverbank planted with willow trees, beneath the waning moon and in the morning breeze? I'll be gone for a year. In vain would good times and fine scenes appear. However gallant I am on my part, to whom can I lay bare